That's good. You eating all the sunflower seeds in there, little boy? He's so cute. Look what I got for you today. He's like, let me concentrate on this. You hungry? You hungry today? Who's hungry? Look how big he is. They're hungry. Oh, she's so cute. Not good? The birds are coming. They're like, get on my way so we can get our bird seeds. Is the bird over there? Yeah, they're like waiting. And I get it. Here. Oh, here. Here. Hi. Mr. Hungry? Oh. He's like, those are where they're. Hello. Don't eat the bird seeds. That's for the birds. Here, Mr. Hungry. Alright. He's gonna discover these later. You coming? Come here. They're over here. Look, Mr. Hungry. Look. Look, this is the bucket of pecans. Here. Here. Come get it. Come get it. Oh, the treasure bowl. Look, that's for you. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so cute. You gonna go? Yep. Take it and bury it somewhere. Okay. See you later, alligator. He'll be back.